Oh my gosh. Wait till you see what I got today. Oh. Shake Shack. Woo. So I'm sitting in my car eating today because that's just what I feel like doing. Let me show you these burgers. Ooh. Woo. Burger, 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 burger. Overload. I'm about to sit here and tear this up. Yes, I got two. I don't even know if I could eat two, but last time I was here, I tore this up. Oh, look at that. Look at that burger. Oh. Let me go ahead and. I'm sorry, I didn't even say, hey, how you doing? Welcome, y'all. It's just good. Ooh. This Yuzu Lemonade. Something like that. I don't know. Eat all right. It'll do. There you go. Look at that. Ooh. Get back into this, though. These burgers are so good. You don't even need the fries. I don't like their fries at all, but this right here is good. And since I'm sitting here, let me tell you something. If you don't know how to speed, don't do it. Because sometimes it's people who speed and they just don't know what they're doing. Like last night, I was on the highway. It was rush hour traffic, but I didn't understand why it was rush hour traffic because it was 7:30 at night. I was going on a Walmart run. Y'all know how it is. You just got to go pick something up. So me and a couple other drivers, we was driving. We was driving. Not speeding driving, but driving. You know, make sure everybody's safe. We safe, everybody safe. And getting it. All of the sudden, let me tell you, all of a sudden, mind you, my windows is down so I can hear everything. All of a sudden, I hear, and when I looked up, I seen the car. No sooner than I looked at it, it was gone. And all I could do was be like, oh my gosh, what was that? I'm talking about, I felt like I was energy harvesting or something. That was like, whoa. And then as I got a little bit further up, I was like, where did he go? Because it was a pile of cars. And all you smelt, because mind you, my windows was down, was brakes. I said, I don't know where he was going, but I hope he got there safe. And nobody was hurt. Number 2. Ooh, look at that. Let me get that out there. Going in. But I say that because just because you speeding don't make you safe. And I was hoping, because sometimes I'd be a hater on the front line. Because if we was going like 80, he had to have been going, y'all. Like, he had to be going like 120 easy. Because I'm just trying to tell you. I looked up and he was gone. All I seen was dust and a sound. He was moving at the sound of light. That's how fast he was going. Give me this mayonnaise powder. Y'all know I be struggling trying to open everything up. I be feeling like my teeth don't work. Now, why it gotta be so difficult? Get a mayonnaise pack. Okay. Guess I mean we ain't getting no mayonnaise today. Mayonnaise is one of my favorite condiments. Condiments? Condiments. Look at that. Look at that burger. I wonder. Oh, they got my bacon in there. They better have it. I mean, you know when you be outside, you get all outside noises. Because I didn't feel like leaving. I guess we really ain't getting no mayonnaise today. I like mayonnaise on my burgers. I don't like ketchup on my burger. I don't like mustard either. Need some good old mayonnaise. What kind of condiments y'all like on your burgers? The only thing this burger is missing is avocado. Some straight up avocado. That would be nice. Got it. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Like that. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. It's something about mayonnaise and a pickle. That made me be like, oh, heaven. Heaven. Ooh. That layer there. Oh, who did that? Shoot. Am I the only one who like to eat like this? I just, good. Good. Down to the last bite. Ooh. Some people call this savor the flavor. Oh my goodness. They call that a go back and get it. Because it falls out, then you gotta go back and get it. Y'all don't know nothing about that. Ooh. Y'all even know. I got this little bite right here. This little bite. Put some of this right there on it. Ooh. Done with that. Ooh, this is the last bite, y'all. Y'all just don't know how good Shake Shack is. That's some good stuff. Write down what your favorite food is. Let me know. Let me go and try that out for y'all and see if y'all telling the truth. I'm gonna go there and try it. Until next time. Bye. Oop. Little flashiness. Bye.